Knowledge is power, but action is wealth. The 1% step-by-step rollout for 2026 dominance. If you've been riding with this series since day one, today every single blueprint finally locks into place and starts working for you. Welcome back to Wealth Architect. I'm Dr. Ben. You already own the exact blueprints the elite use to design real freedom instead of waiting 40 years for a retirement lottery ticket that most people never cash. In this final execution episode, we turn every lesson into a complete, ready-to-use roadmap you can start this week and finish strong by the end of 2026. Stay with me through all 10 countdown steps, the full 30-day launch sequence, and the exact daily habits that make everything stick. This is the part where knowledge becomes your new reality. Let's count it down from 10 to 1 right now. Number 10 starts here because nothing moves until you see exactly where you stand today. Most people avoid this step because the truth feels uncomfortable, but that discomfort is the exact signal that change is about to begin. You cannot fix leaks you refuse to measure, and you cannot build an empire on guesswork. Here is exactly how the 1% run this every single quarter. First, gather every single account statement from the last 90 days. Checking, savings, credit cards, investment accounts, retirement plans, even that forgotten PayPal balance. Second, list every asset with today's real value. Home, car, stocks, crypto, business equity, anything that could be sold tomorrow. Third, list every liability down to the last dollar. Mortgages, student loans, credit card balances, personal loans, even that "I'll pay you back next month" IOU from your cousin. Now calculate your true net worth, assets minus liabilities. Write that number in big, bold letters at the top of a fresh spreadsheet. Next, track every single dollar that came in and went out for the past 30 days. Categorize every expense: housing, food, transport, subscriptions, entertainment, miscellaneous that always hides the biggest leaks. Most people discover they are quietly losing between $500 and $2,000 every single month on things they no longer even use. One architect I know found he was paying for 3 different gym memberships he never visited and 11 streaming services he watched once. That single audit freed up $900 a month instantly. Do this audit this weekend. Block 3 uninterrupted hours. Use a simple Google Sheet or Excel. I will link a free template in the description with every column already built for you. When you finish, you will feel something shift. Clarity hits like a spotlight. That clarity is step 10 complete, and it becomes the rock-solid foundation for everything that follows. Number 9 builds directly on the numbers you just uncovered. Vague goals disappear by February. The 1% write one crystal clear page that describes exactly where they stand on December 31st, 2026. Take 20 minutes right after your audit. Sit down and write in present tense. On December 31st, 2026, I wake up in my paid-off home worth X dollars. My monthly cash flow from assets is Y dollars. I own these specific investments generating Z return. My business or side income adds this amount. My family travels here, drives this, and gives to these causes without checking the price tag. Make it vivid. Include the feelings, the exact numbers, the daily reality. Read it out loud every single morning for the next 30 days. Record yourself saying it on your phone and play it in the car. Tape the printed page on your bathroom mirror and inside your laptop lid. This single document becomes your decision filter. Every opportunity either moves you closer or gets declined. One high net worth client told me after writing his 2026 vision, he turned down a safe corporate promotion because it would have delayed his cash flow targets by 2 full years. That decision alone added 7 figures to his trajectory. Your vision does the same work for you starting today. Number 8 turns your vision into reality faster than going it alone ever could. No one at the top operates in isolation. The 1% use relationships as their greatest accelerator. Choose 5 people already living at the level you just described in your vision. They may be 3 to 5 years ahead of you. That is perfect. Reach out with genuine value first, a relevant article, an introduction to someone they should know, or a specific tip that solves a problem they mentioned publicly. Attend one high-caliber event, mastermind, or local investor group this month. Send the very first message today. Keep it short, personal and valuable. Example: "Hi Sarah, loved your recent post on cash flow real estate and secondary markets. I just audited my own numbers and found a similar opportunity in my city. Thought you might find the data useful." Attach the value, no ask. Within 14 days, you will have at least one conversation scheduled. One strong connection can cut your timeline in half and open doors most people never see. Track every new relationship in the same spreadsheet as your audit. This network becomes your unfair advantage. Number 7 moves you from trading all your time for money to owning assets that pay you while you sleep. Stop being the only income source. Pick one simple vehicle that matches your skills and current resources. A small multifamily rental, a digital product based on what you already know, a local service business, or even a high-yield automated online store. Validate the idea with less than $500 and less than 30 days. Target your first positive cash flow inside 60 days. Here is the exact sequence. Choose the vehicle, build a one-page validation plan, test the offer with real potential customers this week, collect the first payment, then systemize delivery so it runs with minimal daily input. One architect started with a simple Excel-based financial dashboard he sold to other professionals for $97. First month, 7 sales. Month 6, $4,000 per month, almost on autopilot. That single machine changed his identity from employee to owner. Yours can start this week. Number 6 is where you begin to play the game the 1% love most, upside that far outweighs the downside. Spend one focused evening this week scanning your network, local markets, and emerging trends for undervalued assets or deals. Look for situations where the potential gain is at least 5 times the money or time you risk. Do the homework thoroughly, run the numbers 3 different ways, talk to people already in that space, and stress test the worst-case scenario. The 1% move when others freeze because they have already done this exact homework. Choose one opportunity that fits your audit and vision. Take the first concrete step, even a small position or conversation. Momentum is everything. One small asymmetric win builds confidence and capital faster than years of steady saving. Number 5 protects everything you are building, so cash keeps flowing to you instead of copycats.
Once your first cash flow machine is running, double down on what only you can offer. Unique expertise, exclusive relationships, proprietary systems, or a brand no one else can replicate. Review your current efforts and strengthen one area of difference every single month. Write down 3 specific ways you are different from everyone else in your space, then build systems around those differences. This moat becomes your long-term insurance policy. The 1% never expand without first making sure competitors cannot easily follow. Spend the next 30 days turning one of your strengths into a true barrier. Your wealth now has a permanent edge. Number 4 reclaims your time so you can focus on higher-level moves instead of babysitting every dollar. Set rules so money moves automatically. Auto-transfer a percentage of every income source to investments. Auto-pay every bill on time. Auto-alerts for anything off track. Auto-rebalancing in your portfolio. Use the simplest tools available: bank apps, investment platforms, and free automation software. Spend one focused afternoon this week setting it all up. The 1% run multi-million-dollar empires on autopilot. You will instantly free up hours every single month. These reclaimed hours become the fuel for steps 7, 6, and beyond. Number 3, make sure your growing empire stays yours no matter what happens. Never leave your assets exposed. Meet with the right professionals about LLCs, trusts, or diversification structures that match your exact situation. Review all insurance policies. Spread risk intelligently across locations, asset classes, and legal entities. Book that consultation within the next 14 days. The elite protect first, then expand. Sleep better knowing every dollar you build is shielded and working only for you and your family. Number 2 accelerates everything using other people's capital for assets that return far more than they cost. Real estate, business expansion, or skill investments that pay back quickly. Always run the worst-case numbers first and keep generous buffers. Study one leverage option that matches your audit and vision. Model it on paper. Decide on a controlled test size. This is one of the biggest accelerators the 1% use responsibly. One controlled leverage move can add years of progress in months when done right. Take the first modeling step this week. And number 1, the step that turns every other step into automatic results. 30 minutes every single morning. Review your 2026 vision out loud. Complete one specific action from your roadmap. Track yesterday's progress and adjust today's plan. No exceptions. Use a simple daily checklist. The 1% do not have more time than you. They have unbreakable routines. Start tomorrow morning. This habit alone separates those who talk about wealth from those who actually live it. By day 30, you will look back and barely recognize how far you have already come. Your complete 30-day action plan. Here is the exact sequence to launch everything right now and keep the momentum through 2026. Days 1 to 7, complete the full financial self-audit and write your complete 2026 wealth vision statement. Read the vision out loud every morning. Days 8 to 14, send your first 5 network messages and choose plus validate your first cash flow machine. Take the first revenue-generating action. Days 15 to 21, research one asymmetric opportunity, set up all automation systems, and begin building your economic moat around your new cash flow machine. Days 22 to 28, meet with a professional for asset protection structures, model your first strategic leverage idea, and lock in the daily 30-minute execution habit. Days 29 to 30, review every number again, celebrate every win no matter how small, adjust the plan for month 2, and schedule your next quarterly audit. Print this 30-day plan. Check off each day. Share your day 1 audit number in the comments. I read every single one, and the community here supports each other. There it is, the complete execution roadmap that turns every blueprint we have covered across this entire series into your actual 2026 reset reality. Knowledge without consistent action keeps most people waiting. This plan puts you in motion immediately and keeps you moving every single day. If this episode created even one clear next step for you, hit the like button right now, subscribe to Wealth Architect if you have not already, and turn on notifications so you never miss the final revelations coming in the next episode. Drop your biggest takeaway or the very first action you are taking this week in the comments. I personally read every comment and reply to as many as possible. I'm Dr. Ben. You are no longer just learning about wealth, you are now designing it. Let's go build what the 1% already know is possible. See you in the next one. Design your freedom. Start today.